वादी कश्मीर अपनी खूबसूरती के लिए माना जाता है और विंटर्स की बात करें तो बर्फ से उस खूबसूरती में चार चांद लगते हैं। इस वक्त हम आ पहुंचे हैं वर्ल्ड की फेमस विंटर टूरिस्ट डेस्टिनेशन गुलमर्ग, जहां पे हर साल जो है लाखों में टूरिस्ट आते हैं और सिर्फ यहाँ की स्नोफॉल और स्नो जो एक्टिविटीज है उनको एंजॉय करने के लिए। गुलमर्ग की बात करें तो गुलमर्ग का जो लिटरल मीनिंग है दैट केम फ्रॉम गुल और मर्ग। गुल का मतलब फ्लावर होता है, जबकि अगर हम मग का मतलब बोले तो दैट इज मिडोज एंड सिंपली इट इज मिडो ऑफ फ्लावर्स। अगर हम विंटर स्पोर्ट्स की बात करें तो यहाँ पे आपको इंटरनेशनल स्कीइंग कॉम्पिटिशंस भी देखने को मिलेंगे, स्लेजिंग वगैरह सब कुछ जो है आपको गुलमर्ग में मिलेगा। तो आइए कुछ टूरिस्ट से यहाँ बात करते हैं और देखते हैं कि हाउ आर दे फीलिंग अबाउट दिस प्लेस।
Hi, my name is Aisha. I'm from Bangla. This is the first time I've come to Kashmir, and this is the first time I've experienced snowfall in Gulmarg. And Gulmarg is a beautiful, mesmerizing place. I'm in love with this place. Amazing. I mean, I'm falling short of words, but this is superb. मैं सिर्फ डल लेक और यही लोकल पे घूमी हूँ. I just want to do the local places. I want to visit the dargahs. I wanted to witness snow from a very long time because I've never seen snow. This is the first time I'm seeing snow. And obviously I came to Gulmarg to witness the snow. But with that I also got to experience the snowfall.
What's the best thing about Kashmir?
The beauty and the people as well.
Hi, I'm Vijay. I've traveled almost around 450 to 500 kilometers. I've basically come from Karnataka to Kashmir. This was a sightseeing, and today I've come to Gulmarg, and I think it is mesmerizing. This is my first time in Gulmarg, and it's really beautiful. It's just snow is amazing. I think the scene. I think you can see here, it's everywhere. It is white, and it is lovely. Kashmir, as of now, we just landed day before yesterday. So far, I've seen only Dal Lake. We've gone to the Shikara, and today is the second day. So I've come to visit Gulmarg. Kashmir, I think I've heard a lot of things about the people of Kashmir. I think they're very generous. They're lovely people. They're very helpful. People are very good. The place is very good. Everything is amazing. So far, I'm just looking out to try the new dishes in Kashmir. I think there's something called as lotus stem, so that is something I'm looking out to try. But so far, I think I've just had the usual food for now. But I'm looking out to try wazwan. I think that's the famous dish here. So I'm looking out to try for that. Yeah. Okay. The other thing is what else? I'm looking out to explore the sports here. I think the snow sports. Yeah, those things I'm keen on trying. And the third thing is what? Like I'm looking out to do some shopping as well. I heard you get a lot of good winter wares out here, so I'm looking out to shop those things here. Yeah, definitely. I definitely recommend Kashmir to everyone. I'm not sure what notions people have it. It's especially people who are from the southern part or the northern part. But I would definitely ask everyone to come and explore Kashmir and enjoy.
मिल्लत टाइम्स को जारी रखने और मजबूत बनाने के लिए हमारी आर्थिक सहायता कीजिए। ये एक आजाद मीडिया हाउस और कमजोरों की आवाज है। आप हमें देखें, सुने, पढ़ें और हर महीने ज्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ 100 रुपए से मदद करें। डिटेल्स डिस्क्रिप्शन में मौजूद हैं।